So here we're going to find the equation of the line joining the two given points highlighted in blue. So the first point is -2, 3 and the second point is 3, -1. If these are the 2 points, can we find the equation of the line joining the 2 points? So for this we use the point slope form. So that's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So x1, y1 is a point on the line and m is the slope of the line. So do we have a point given to us? In fact, we have been given 2 points. We can pick any one of them to be x1, y1. So let's just say x1, y1 is -2, 3. So that's our first point, x1, y1. What we don't know is the slope, but we can find it. If we are given 2 points on the line, we can find the slope using the slope definition of slope, or using the formula for slope, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if we are given 2 points, x1, y1, which is -2, 3, and x2, y2, which is 3, -1, can we find the slope of the line joining these 2 points? So y2 is -1, y1 is 3. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2, which is 3, and x1, which is -2. So x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is -2. This is equal to -4 over 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So that's -4/5. So now we know the slope. We were supposed to find it, and we just found that the slope is -4/5. So we can pick any one point, and we said let x1, y1 be equal to -2, 3, and the slope is equal to -4/5. We're going to substitute these numbers into the point slope form. So that's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So remember that x1 is -2, y1 is 3. So that is equal to y minus 3 equals -4/5 times x plus 2. We can stop here. If we want to change it to the slope intercept form, we can stop here if there are no specific instructions in your question, but we can go a little further and change it to the slope intercept form. So that is y minus 3 equals, and we're going to solve for y. So we're going to simplify this, distribute the -4/5. So that is, we add 3 on both sides to get y equals -4/5 x minus 8/5 plus 3. So y equals -4/5 x, and when we take the common denominator, we multiply and divide with 5. So that is y equals -4/5 x minus 8 plus 15 over 5. So that's equal to -4/5 x plus 7/5. fifths. So y equals negative 4/5 x plus 7/5 is the equation of the line joining the 2 points. This is the slope-intercept form. So that is the slope and that is the y-intercept. So this is the slope-intercept form of the equation. This we could have stopped here, which is the point-slope form. But if the instructions say simplify to the slope-intercept form, then we have to go this far.